Good afternoon, Nate. My name is Bree from Northland Marketing. How are you doing today? I spoke with you earlier, and as promised, here is your analysis. I wanted to get on here real quick, go through your competitors in this video to do an audit, and show you personally what would be holding you back from being in the top 3 for Connecticut home renovation. I'm going to jump in, start going through what we see, and where we think you would get the most value. Mainly be going over 3 things you could do to really bring value to your company and start outranking your competitors online. The very first thing I want to go over is the fact that your website is currently down, but I'm assuming you probably know that. Now, when I go to a Google search for Connecticut home renovation, we can see that they're running ads. Now, this is called the map pack. The top 3 listed here are the ones that receive a lot of the work because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. The websites listed below here, these are called the organics and the same things apply. You want to be on the front page and ideally within those top 3 positions to drive the maximum amount of people to your website. Let's take a look at this first website here, Our House. We can see that it's a pretty nice website and they got some content. Although not a whole lot of content. If you had 1,500 words on your homepage, you'd definitely be beating them out content-wise. So let's talk about why they were listed first. This is a paid program I used to research websites called Ahrefs. I went ahead and put them into here so we can see what you're up against. The second thing I want to go over is UR and DR ratings. These ratings are really important to your placement on Google. Now, a UR rating is a trust rating. And this means how much Google trusts your website. Whereas a DR rating, it shows how powerful your website is in the eyes of Google. These numbers are generally raised by backlinks. We can see they have 534 overall backlinks, coming from 194 websites, and 165 of those are powerful. Now, a backlink refers to a link that points back to your website. In Google's eyes, it's kind of like a popularity contest. A good example of this would be if a blog website wrote an article about Connecticut home renovation and they listed your website URL as a company they recommended. All right, that'd be giving you 1 backlink. I want to call attention to their organic keywords. These are the keywords within the content that we were talking about before. For example, Connecticut home renovation. There's approximately 90 people Googling that every month. Okay, and they're in roughly first place. Home remodeling CT, there's about 70 people searching for that a month. Connecticut remodeling contractors, there's another 70 people searching for that. Okay, kitchen remodel Stanford, there's 30 alone. Stanford again, 30. Fairfield, 40. Remodeling contractor CT, another 40. Kitchen remodeling CT, 90, right? There's a ton of people that are searching for these services in Connecticut. Depending what areas and what services you want to show up for, you can drive a ton of traffic to your website. This is really important. The more people that find your website, the more people that are going to call you, and the more work it's going to turn into, right? So even though your website's down, we can still put your URL into here and show you what's going on. Now, your UR rating is a little higher, which is great, but your DR rating is really, really low. You have a 0.1. You have 51 overall backlinks coming from 14 websites, and 7 of those are powerful. Now you have no organic keywords. This is because you must not have had any keywords within your content, right? So this is a good start. Your UR rating is a little bit higher, which is great. Your DR is really low, and obviously you don't have any organic keywords in there, so that's bad. But in this video, we went over how we can help you and get a website up into those top positions. 1, through your home page and how you're going to want at least 1,500 words in there. 2, through your UR and DR ratings and how we'd raise those numbers through backlinks. And 3, the backlinks, what the competition has and how to beat them out. By showing Google you have more authority. If you implemented these strategies today, you could be on the front page of Google. Now, as far as website design goes, you can let us know what you want the website to look like, or we can go ahead and create a design for you. It's up to you. We're pretty flexible and we can do pretty much anything that you're looking for. Just keep in mind that we have to make sure we have all of the content in there. Now, like we said, I'm happy to speak with you again on Monday, so I will either give you a call if I haven't heard from you, or you can give me a call back. I look forward to hearing your feedback. Have a great weekend.